In this video, what we'll do is have our character, which, as you know from the last video, moves up and down and left and right. And what we'll do is we'll have it touching another character and then something will happen. So first of all, let's just go and grab another character. In this case, I'm going to grab the bananas. We'll put them on the screen there. I'm just going to make them a little bit smaller, like that. So our bananas are going to be there, our character is going to be here. And in this very simple game, I would like our character to be able to run, touch the bananas, and then we'll decide what to do with the bananas once that happens. So let's set that up. The bananas themselves are just going to sit there and not really do anything. And I should talk about the forever. Forever in Scratch means however long the game is running for, or however long somebody is playing your game, whatever is inside a forever block must always happen. So in order to make this very simple game work, we're going to have to go to the bananas, add in a green flag, go back to control, go to our forever, and now what we need to do is sense if the monkey ever touches the bananas. So let's have a look. So what we're saying is if the bananas ever touch the cat, and for this game what we'll do is we'll very simply going to hide the bananas, and that's it. That's all our game is going to do. Let's just run this game. The cat will run like this, and as soon as it touches the bananas hide, and that's it. That's the end of the game. It's not a very interesting game, but at least it's the start of a game. Let's move the cat back, press stop, and let's start the game again, and you can see that the bananas have gone. And this is one of those things that confuses a lot of people about Scratch, because once you hide something in Scratch, you can't show it again until you've used the show block. Now here's the problem. Where do we use the show block? Well, the secret's going to be in this little section here. Because we've put the forever block there, that means whenever the cat and the bananas touch, the bananas are going to hide. But if we were to put the show just there, press the green flag, you can see that immediately they show. If we now put our forever block there, you can see how this game is going to work. The cat is going to touch the bananas and the bananas hide, which is in that block there. And when we move the cat away, press the green flag again, the bananas come back because we've told it whenever you click the green flag, show. And that's a good way of having things hide and show in your game. At the moment, this game is not so interesting because all that happens is a cat touches bananas which disappear. That's not really an interesting game. So in our next video, we'll talk more about how to make this game a little bit more interesting and maybe a little bit more challenging.